Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Dr. Baby Manjusha, second year postgraduate from MIMS, and I'm going to present about the topic pizza pie appearance. The cytomegalovirus retinitis is an acquired immunodeficiency syndrome, related opportunistic infection that can lead to sight-threatening ocular infection. It is caused by cytomegalovirus, a double-stranded DNA virus in the Herpes viridae family, and risk factors include HIV, CD4 count less than 50, or severe systemic immunosuppression. It is often associated with HIV, AIDS, and was extremely rare prior to the AIDS epidemic. It is also associated with severe immunosuppression from chemotherapy and autoimmune conditions requiring immunomodulators. CMV retinitis occurred with higher frequency prior to the advent of antiretroviral therapy, but has since been decreasing in well-developed countries, and although still remains a prevalent condition in developing countries. CMV retinitis is a full-thickness retinal infection that can lead to necrosis and retinal breaks and detachments. And CMV reaches the retina hematogenously and infects the vascular endothelium, which then spreads to the retinal cells. An impaired CD4 cell function permits uncontrolled CMV replication. Patients with CD4 counts less than 50 cells per mm cube should be seen at least every 3 months to screen for CMV retinitis, as active retinitis is typically asymptomatic. So, a 47-year-old man visited to the Department of Ophthalmology, Tertiary Care Hospital, Vijayanagaram, presented with the complaints of pain and redness of both eyes since 20 days, associated with defective vision for both near and distance vision. He is a known case of AIDS with poor drug compliance. On examination, his best corrected visual acuity was perception of light in the right eye and hand movements in the left eye, and conjunctiva was quiet in both the eyes, and cornea has keratic precipitates in both the eyes. Anterior chamber was of von Erich's grading 4 in both the eyes, and pupil was normal in size and reacting to light in both the eyes. On fundus examination, we could see a pale disc, vascular attenuation with perivascular white lesions, and flame-shaped hemorrhages resembling pizza pie appearance in both the eyes. So the IOP recorded with applanation tonometry at 10:30 a.m. was about 14 mm of Hg in the right eye and 16 mm of Hg in the left eye. So these are the pictures. In the right eye, we can see the keratic precipitates. In the left eye, also keratic precipitates. And the fundus picture showing flame-shaped hemorrhages with perivascular white fluffy lesions, indicative of necrosis resembling pizza pie appearance. The CD4 count of the patient is 35 cells per milliliter. So the patient was diagnosed with CMV retinitis, both the eyes, and these are my references. Thank you.